Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about silver and why the demand for silver is increasing day by day. Have you ever wondered that what connects the things that we use daily, like the mobiles, the electric cars, solar panels, electronic items? It's one element, that is silver. Yes, the same silver that we think of as jewelry is now the backbone of chips, solar energy, and electric vehicles. And as demand for these industries rises, silver is becoming more valuable than ever. You can see in the chart that on September 1st, 2025, silver has crossed $40 per ounce. 1 ounce is same as 28.3 grams. The last time this happened was way back in 2011, almost 15 years ago. So, why did it take so long time to come back to this level? And more importantly, why now? The answer is simple. It's demand. Silver is not just a precious metal anymore. Its use in chips, solar panels, and electric vehicles has exploded. And this industrial demand is what's pushing prices higher again. I have attached the link to this chart in description for your reference. Where exactly is silver used? First, solar panels. Silver paste is a key material that helps convert sunlight into electricity. Next, electronics and chips. Every phone, laptop, and chip uses silver in contacts and soldering. Then, electric vehicles. From sensors to charging stations. Silver is everywhere in EVs. EVs consume a lot of silver in end-to-end manufacturing. Even in medical use, silver coatings fight bacteria and help in wound dressings. Of course, jewelry and investment. Coins, bars, jewelry still remain a major part of silver demand. And finally, industrial uses and mirrors, where silver is used for coating a layer. So, silver is not just a shining metal anymore. It is literally powering technology, industry, healthcare, and energy. What's really driving the demand for silver today? First, solar panels. Every time you see a rooftop solar panel or a big solar farm, remember, silver is inside those cells, helping convert sunlight into electricity. Second, electric vehicles. Think about a Tesla, Tata EV, or even your local electric scooters. The sensors, the batteries, the charging stations, all of them need silver. Third, semiconductors. India is setting up chip factories, and globally, companies like Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company and Intel are expanding. Every chip in your phone or laptop has silver connections. Fourth, the IoT and 5G. Smartwatches, Alexa speakers, smart TVs, all these connected devices run on chips that use silver. Fifth, investment demand. When people worry about inflation or stock market crashes, they buy silver coins, bars, or ETFs. And finally, recycling. Old electronics like phones, laptops are now being recycled to extract silver. The process involves using acids like sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid to separate silver, which is then reused to make new products. You might be thinking, with demand rising so fast, where does all this silver actually come from? You can see on the screen that the world's biggest silver producer is Mexico, with over 6,000 tons every year. Next is China, followed by Peru and Poland. Countries like Bolivia, Russia, Chile, and the US also contribute a big chunk. Even India produces silver around 800 tons in 2024, but compared to Mexico, that's very small. And here is a fun fact that Mexico alone produces more silver than India, Russia, and the US combined. So, in simple words, silver supply is highly concentrated in just few countries. That means if production slows in Mexico, China, or Peru, global prices can shoot up very quickly. So, what about the future of silver? Demand is going up because solar panels, electric cars, and chips are not slowing down. But here is the challenge. Supply is limited. New silver mines take years to develop. Recycling helps a little, but it can't keep up with demand. This means silver prices could stay strong, but they will also be volatile, rising or falling quickly based on global events. Finally, how does this impact India? India is one of the world's biggest consumers of silver for jewelry, solar projects, and now electronics. But our production is very small compared to countries like Mexico or China. That means we depend on imports and global price changes directly affect us. For investors, this opens opportunities. Silver is no longer just jewelry. It's turning into technology and energy metal. So finally, silver is not just a shiny metal anymore. It's powering our future in solars, EVs, and chips. And in the next video, we will explore the next part of theme 1, semiconductors, the chips that are the brain of every device you use. Don't miss it.